A urinary tract infection occurs when bacteria enter the urinary tract and then it multiplies. Unfortunately, this grows into an infection. Doctors and researchers agree that the E. coli bacteria most likely causes urinary tract infections, UTIs. Therefore, risk factors for UTIs include sexual activity, certain types of birth control, menopause, and a suppressed immune system. Probiotics. If you're wondering how anyone can get rid of a urinary tract infection in only 24 hours, then you need to take probiotics. The helpful bacteria in probiotics help strengthen the immune system and restore the body's natural balance of bacteria. Try kefir, probiotic yogurt, sauerkraut, and kombucha. Cranberry juice. Cranberry juice is often used as a natural remedy for urinary tract infections. Some studies have shown that cranberry juice may help decrease the number of UTIs a person develops over a 12-month period. Furthermore, cranberry products work by inhibiting the growth of harmful bacteria. Garlic. Another remedy against infections is garlic. This amazing herb contains allicin, which boasts powerful antimicrobial properties. Specifically, allicin has been shown to exhibit antibacterial activity against a wide range of bacteria, including E. coli and Candida. Clove oil. Essential oils are also very beneficial. Clove oil boasts antimicrobial, antifungal, and antiviral activity. Studies have confirmed that this oil is well known. Additionally, it can be taken internally for up to 2 weeks at a time as a UTI treatment without antibiotics, under the care of a healthcare professional. Oregano oil. Another mighty herb, oregano oil fights infection. In fact, studies have shown that oregano oil can inhibit the growth of E. coli. Therefore, oregano oil can be another excellent option for a urinary tract infection. Mix oregano oil with water or coconut oil and take it internally for no more than 2 weeks to help rid the body of infection.